So hello again. This is a tutorial guide to show you how to create an OrgSync account. Given that OrgSync is mandatory for SSWA and Phi Alpha, we wanted to make sure that you had access to knowing how to get into it if you have any trouble. So here we go. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your web browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, any of those is fine. And then you're going to go to your address bar and you're going to type in orgsync.com. So as you can see how it's spelled there, I have a misspelling. It's OrgSync.com, and then you're just going to press enter on your keyboard. Once you come to the screen, there's two options on the top right corner. You have login and sign up. For this purposes, we're going to sign up, but if you are already a member, you would just click login. So after you click sign up, you're going to select, click the down arrow so that you can get the bar here, and then you're going to type in the beginnings of the word Florida, or the abbreviation FL, and you'll see we have Florida International University here, so you're going to click that. And then you're going to type in your name, and now this is just a sample, so I'm just going to put all sample information in. And then just make up a password and agree to the terms of the user agreement. You can go ahead and click on that if you'd like to read it, and you can read it. And you check the box and then you click create account. Now it's going to ask you for some personal information. So I'm not going to put all honest answers here just because I would like to maintain my personal information. And you would just fill out all these options. For example, your gender, your classification. I'm a graduate student, but some of you are juniors or sophomores in undergrad. And then your hometown, your major, and if you have a minor, for example, you can put your minor there. And then you want to put your student ID. I'm just going to put a sample here. And then put your ethnicity. I'm going to say, and then your projected graduation year, whether or not you live on campus, you would answer that question, whether or not you're an international student, and whether or not you're a transfer student. So you would go ahead and put all those answers to those questions, and then at the bottom, when you scroll down when you're done, you can click the word finish to complete the process of creating your account. Now that you've created an OrgSync account, your next step that you need to take is to join SSWA and Phi Alpha. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. You're going to click join an organization, and then you are going to just type up here in the top. You can type SSWA, or you can put in the entire thing, and then you just click enter on your keyboard. Now, like I said, you can put SSWA or you can put Student Social Work Association, whatever is easier for you, and then you just click the organization. And then where you see it says join now on the left hand side, you're going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to ask you for a password. So the password here is FIU Social Work. It's all lowercase and there are no spaces. So it's all one word in lowercase, FIU Social Work. And then you're going to click over here on the right, Join Now. Okay, and that's it. That's how you create an SSWA account. Then if you scroll down, you'll see the officer information for SSWA. And you will see there's different things here on the side. For example, sometimes we give polls. You can find those under communication. We have a calendar here. Normally our events are posted, but since this is a new semester, there's no events posted here. But if you go to last month, for example, yeah, as you can see, we had lots of events in November and in October and things like that. Right now we don't have our new events posted yet, but we will very soon. And then if you go to events, we have the events list here. It's not posted yet because, like I said, there aren't any events posted yet, but they will be soon. And also timesheets. That's where you're going to see your points information. So right now, this account that I created is new, so there are no timesheet entries here. They would normally be right here. So it would say, for example, the event that you went to, it would say the name of the agency, the amount of hours, and the date of the event, and so on. Okay, then we have a place for files. This is where you can find some things that we might post. For example, the newsletter from last semester from the last meeting is right there. Some meeting agendas and minutes and other things, you can find those all right there. And also in the forms, if you go to forms, we'll have some forms here sometimes, like right now we have our membership application. So different things that you can use here, you can browse through these and kind of check them out. And before I let you go, I just wanted to kind of show you how to join Phi Alpha. So basically what you would do is you click Add Organization here on the top where it says Organizations. And then you're going to put your mouse where it says Search by Name or Keyword, and you can just put Phi Alpha. And then click Enter. And you're going to see a couple things show up, but it's this one right here. It's the one with our Phi Alpha symbol that says Phi Alpha Honor Society, and you can go ahead and click that. We are not a Greek organization, we are an honor society. So you can just click Phi Alpha right there. And then you'll see we have our officer information here. And you can do the same thing that you did in the other page, you can do that here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click Join Now. And what's going to happen is you would put your reason to join and you submit your request. Now if you haven't submitted your application and your application hasn't been approved, then you will not be accepted. I cannot accept you until I have your application. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. Thanks for watching.